been 6 weeks like it. Get over it.
Grab yourself a seat, John. I'll tell Jeanette we're here. Jeanette, put these in the fridge, will you?
Mayday, please, Charlie.